remember the first day. Syrian, you smile so bright. In a crowded room, you brought the light. Laughter dancing like shadows in the sun. From that moment on, I knew you were the one. Oh my love, Syrian, you were my heart's delight. In every laugh, in every quiet night. Now the stars whisper your name above, forever and always, my eternal love.
We walk through the seasons side by side, chasing dreams together, a life so grand. Every glance, every touch, a sacred embrace. Your spirit surrounds me in this empty space.
Oh my love, Syrian, you are my heart's delight. In every laugh, in every quiet night. Now the stars whisper your name above, forever and always, my eternal love. Though you're gone, your memory remains, a melody playing through joys and pains. In the corners of my heart, you will stay. You're the one I cherish, come what may.
Oh my love, Syrian, you were my heart's delight. In every laugh, in every quiet night.
Now the stars whisper your name above, forever and always, my eternal love. Whoa. So here's my song, it's a journey we share, a tale of devotion, the love that we dare. I'll keep you alive in the stories I've spun, forever with me, Syria, my eternal